Yo, what's going on, guys? Alright, right now I'm at some random gas station halfway between Austin and San Antonio. The guys I skated the backyard mini ramp with yesterday gave me a pin to this ditch spot right here. And yeah, it's just like right on the side of the highway at a gas station. And yeah, it looks like they built some pretty cool things here. Check it out. That's awesome. I mean, for a first spot of the day though, I don't know how buck I'm gonna be getting here, but it looks like a lot of fun. Definitely gonna cruise around. It's a bunch of cool different angles you can hit. Got this little bank into the bigger bank. That looks like it's been cemented so you can hit. I kind of want to get a trick on that, but I don't know. I feel like I'm asking for it. All right, let's see if we can get a trick on the big boy over here. Okay, that was a little bit of a battle right there. Having to push and then pump this wall and then pump up that and run up and down it when I fall. Pretty exhausting. That trick felt like no other trick I've ever done before. It was such a unique way to lean. I had to come up and turn frontside for a backside trick, and then by the time I was locked into the 5-0, like your momentum's all off, and then I had to almost fully move a backside 180 out of the 5-0, so I landed in the bank like with speed. But yeah, it was fun though. Definitely tough to get a trick on. I think I'm tapped out for this spot though. Gonna head to San Antonio. You know, it's becoming a real problem. After I skate in this heat, I'm completely drenched, and then I get in the car and drive like, I don't know, 2-3 hours, like most of the time, every day. And then I'm just sitting in a swampy, just mess of being uncomfortable. And yeah, I think I need to like pick up a pair of shorts or something, because it's just like not pleasant. I'm like driving like this, trying to like air it out. But it's a pretty hot one today. I'm kind of just sitting in the car right now, chilling. Like, should I go out there and roast again? But I just pulled up to this park called Peol Skatepark, and it looks pretty fun, so let's hop in there. kind of wanted the feeble fakie, this big quarter pipe here, but I don't know if you could tell. It's kind of like got that banked transition to quarter pipe, kind of like the lizard ditch from yesterday. I don't know. I just feel like I'm gonna get pitched. All right, let's try one. Exactly what I was worried about. Yeah. Oh, yeah, brother? Oh, I'm good, yeah. Good for one of those a day.
Yeah. Big drop.
Can't stick. Oof, that was sketchy. Honestly, I did not want to try that. I was about to give up, so I'm just psyched. I got one, and I think shoots you out like a cannonball, man. I've been racking up the good slams recently. That was awesome, Doc.
Chad, what's up, dog?
What's up?
Stevie Ray.
Nice to meet you. How's it going?
Nice to meet you, man. Good to see you. I'm all right, man. Just the drive.
Yeah.
I live like 80 miles that way, dude. And
Oh, really?
I got out and fucking, I had to go and make a quick stop there in Hondo. I had fucking probation and shit.
Really? Yeah. I've been there.
No, but fucking, what was cool, man, honestly, what I was trying to relay to you, dude, I thought it was dope what you did, man, and how you talked about your sobriety. I'm 4 years deep in sobriety from alcohol, dude, so.
Congrats. That's huge.
I think it's sick, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? A lot of representation, and not a lot of representation that in skateboarding. So I was just acting a little too stupid, so I had to give it up, man.
Same here.
But yeah, man.
That's awesome.
You're tuckered out, dude.
Yeah. I took
see
another
your fucking elbow, shit.
I
dude.
took another slam today too. So.
Dude, I saw that one in Dallas, or was it Dallas or Houston? It was
that
Houston,
one
right?
was Houston, and then I took another one today, like here on that quarter pipe.
The big one or the
big one? Yeah.
Oh fuck, dude. Yeah, that thing's not. It's kind of like got a weird
yeah,
build to
it's
it.
weird. It's like a bank to a quarter.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Well, thanks for taking the trip out.
No, dude, honestly, I just wanted to come meet you. I wanted to get a book, if you still have any, dude. I don't know if you take Cash App, but all I have is Cash App.
I appreciate it.
But I want a book.
All right,
Big
what's
brother,
up?
man.
Nice to meet you.
We were
How's
both
it going? What's
fucking
your
watching your shit.
Chad, nice to meet you.
We were both watching your shit the whole journey, man. So
That's what's up. Oh yeah.
it was just quite a sight, dude.
I appreciate it.
It's quite a sight, man.
Hey, I gotta get a clip of you too.
Dude,
while we're here, gotta let you warm up a little. I know your
I'm
legs
gonna
must
warm
be
up a little
cramped
bit.
from
That'd be sick,
the
dude.
drive. Damn, Stevie. Yeah. Hell yeah. Sheesh. Yeah. That's sick. You want a line?
Let's see.
What are you thinking?
I'll probably hit that little thing.
Okay.
50 the whole curve. We'll try to 50 the whole curve, and then maybe what is it?
Wally.
Backboard
Backboard.
on the rail, on the 3-stair.
All right, I'm following.
I wish I could Wally. Hey, G.
I think he's slick.
Yeah.
Here you
Hey, Chad.
go. How long you been skating?
Oh man, since I was like 12 years old.
Okay.
But me and my brother, we're from Orange County, and I grew up skating like the orange fucking Vans indoor,
Oh, okay.
skating the combi, skating that, Santa Ana Park.
Nice.
But we came out here. My dad got us away from a lot of the bad stuff that was going on in our neighborhood.
Yeah.
More or less, been skating out here as much as I can since it's as desolate as it looks.
So how old are you now? Like how long?
33.
Okay, so like 20-something years.
Got to be 20 years by now, yeah.
All right.
But you know, as you know, the body begins to. But I try to keep up with it as far as just eating right, exercising or whatever, like stretching and shit.
Yeah. I mean, you seem to be moving pretty well.
I feel good, man.
Yeah.
Honestly, out the car like this, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
Shit, I gotta get it for Chad, bro.
All right, I'll see it. Yo!
Oh, Chad?
Hell
That's
yeah!
Chad, G. Say hi to Chad.
What's up? Nice to meet you. How's it going? Wow, I thought you were coming to skate. What happened?
She don't.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. Shout out to Stevie throwing down. He was going hard in there. I love seeing that. Also, I'm feeling it, man. I took a nice one to the hip. I got pitched. So, yeah, I think I'm done skating for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.